Third down and 5 snap to Drake. He throws it to the left for Hunter Henry. He's open to the far sideline, and he slides in bounds at the 40. That's your ball game.
Peace. Keep doing good work.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Roll out, man.
Good stuff, man. Thank you so much.
Let's go!
Y'all time. We're on the board. This is y'all's day. Tired of these, bro. Play with him. Yeah. Hey, defense. We're all right. We got to get your confidence. Play with confidence. And let's beat them. Gang on 3. 1, 2, 3. Gang. You have a good one. I got you. Okay, now there we go. Now, Penix is in a pocket.
Wait for the snap from the gun. A man in motion from the left. 2-by-2 set. Penix has time, and now the pocket collapses, and so does the quarterback. And there for the sack, Chaisson. Now second down and 10 plus for Maye and company at the 49.5 of Atlanta. From the left hash, he takes the snap, he stands in, he looks left, he backs up. Now he has to escape. He's running to his right, he gets away. He pumps, he runs it left, hash to 45-40. He swerves left to the 37, tackle in the open field.
Why is he doing it? He got to work on this. What is up with him, bro? He ran to him.
He's got Douglas to his left, a line in the backfield. Two receivers, right, one left. He takes the snap, he looks to the left, and he throws it for Pop Douglas on a wheel route, and he drops it in the midsection for a Patriots touchdown. So damn sexy.
Keep going.
Shotgun snap to Maye. Back to pass on a 5-man rush. He steps up, throws it to the left side. He's got Douglas with the catch at the 35-30. Lost his balance, but he stays on his feet. Runs it right to the 20, stumbling. He's hit at the 25. Still going with a dive across the 11. Maye back to throw, fires over the middle, pitches it to Diggs, turns right, sidesteps right to the 5, throws to the outside, dives to the pylon. Touchdown, Patriots!
Be ready for 2 minutes when we go back. So be in your mind, your thought process is too.
Snap is back to Drake Maye. Retreats in the pocket. He's being pressured. Ball's out. Ball is not loose. It's picked up. It's a scoop. And a run to the 20, to the 15, to the 10. Tripped up and tackled at the 5.
We're going to need one drive. So everything that's happened doesn't matter. We're going to need one drive to win the game. I don't know what drive it's going to be. But we're going to need one more drive. All right, one drive, man. One drive.
Maye has Diggs in the left slot. It's a third down and 5 snap to Drake. He throws it to the left for Hunter Henry. He's open to